If you're looking for a microwave that's powerful, modern, and packed with smart cooking features, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS 1000W countertop microwave is one of the best mid-size options available right now. And before we go deeper, pause. Have you ever used a humidity sensor microwave before? Design and build. This microwave features a sleek black stainless steel finish, which looks premium and blends easily with any kitchen decor. It has a 1.2 cubic foot interior, giving you enough space for bowls, dinner plates, and reheating large leftovers. The 12.4-inch glass turntable is removable and dishwasher safe. Smart sensor technology. The standout feature here is Toshiba's Smart Humidity Sensor. It automatically detects steam and adjusts the time, plus power level for perfect results. No more overcooking, dry food, or trial and error reheating. Perfect for reheating rice, noodles, veggies, and leftovers. Performance and power. Powered by 1000 watts. This microwave is fast and efficient. You get 12 auto menus, including popcorn, potato, pizza, veggies, meat, frozen foods. Heating is even and consistent thanks to advanced wave distribution, quiet and eco features. There's a mute function that disables all the beeps, great for late night use. Eco mode reduces standby energy consumption by up to 50%. Ease of cleaning. The interior is coated with stain-resistant material, making it super easy to wipe clean. No scrubbing needed. Short pause. Real-world experience. If you use microwaves daily for meal prep, reheating rice, heating milk, steaming vegetables, or defrosting meat, this unit delivers reliable and consistent performance. I've reviewed multiple microwaves in this category, and this model stays one of the most value-packed options under its price range. Should you buy it? Buy it if you want smart sensor cooking, quiet operation, large interior with small footprint, strong 1000W heating, easy clean interior, energy-saving operation. It's one of the best microwave ovens for apartments, dorms, family kitchens, and office break rooms. Outro. If you want a reliable, modern, and smart microwave, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS is definitely worth considering. Check the Amazon link below for the latest price. If you're looking for a microwave